In this value-packed video, I'm going to share with you 6 important steps that you need to take before you start live streaming on YouTube. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you grow your influence and income online. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so that you don't miss out on weekly updates. Live streaming on YouTube is a great way to grow your channel, your watch time, your views, your subscribers, and to grow your community, to connect with your viewers, start talking to them, chatting to them, getting to know them, and giving them an opportunity to know who you are. There are 3 options to live stream on YouTube. You could use your mobile phone, you could use your computer with a built-in camera, or you could use a third-party encoder software to make it a bit more advanced and be able to shift between screens, etc. The huge drawback with the mobile phone option though is that you need 1,000 subscribers in order to even get access to that option. So which leaves most of us that are small YouTubers, not yet there on the 1,000 subs, actually leaves us with the computer and webcam option. And if you want to know how to turn your mobile into a webcam, watch this video up here that I'm gonna link as soon as it's done. There are 6 important steps that you need to take in order to get started live streaming on YouTube. The first one is that you need to verify your channel. So you hop on to youtube.com/verify and you verify your channel there. Step number 2 is to enable live streaming on your channel. You go first to settings, channel, feature eligibility, and then you turn to features that require phone verification, and you do that. And that might take you a day or 2 to get verified. So you need to plan ahead. And why not use this time, spend it wisely by planning your live stream. What's it gonna be about? Is it gonna be a Q&A? What's gonna be the topic? Do you want to have a tiny lesson first and then let your audience ask questions? What's it going to be about? Are you going to be baking a cake? Are you going to demonstrate something? Are you going to talk about a topic related to your niche? And once you've done that, the 4th step you need to take is to schedule your live stream in YouTube Studio. So you go to the button Create, go live, and then you end up here on this black screen. Where you put the title of your live stream, a description if you want to, you schedule the date and the time, and a few more options. You also select which camera to use for your live stream. So that means if you want to turn your mobile into a webcam, that option is visible here in YouTube Studio and you select it. Click Next. Go for advanced options as well so that you can chat during your live stream. And once you're done, it's there scheduled. Now the 5th step is to create a thumbnail. And you should create a custom thumbnail. Do it with Canva, for example. I love Canva. It has helped me so much in my creation of thumbnails, YouTube banner, and also designs for my e-commerce web store on Redbubble. So create a custom thumbnail for your live stream and then go on to YouTube Studio and update your live stream with that thumbnail. Easy as just switching a thumbnail, updating a thumbnail on a regular video of yours. And then maybe the most important step is number 6, doing a dry run. So important because you want to find out if your equipment is working, if your setup is okay, like, you know, the distance between your camera and the background and yourself. Is the lighting proper? Is the sound okay? So do a dry run and then do it by scheduling a private stream. You can do it anytime because it's private and no one's gonna see it. So with that said, those are the 6 steps. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone that also is thinking about live streaming. And I do hope you can summon the courage to do it. A live stream is simply just like recording any other video. Maybe you have an audience live, maybe you don't, but it's a way to grow your channel, to grow your community, your views, your watch time and subscribers. Remember to subscribe to this channel as well. All the best, good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.